There's 7. Here's the first Halsey out of 3. This one got repainted on the blades because the blade finish started peeling off originally, so I repainted them like a glossy white color. But I think the blades are going to need to be repainted again over here in some areas, like right there. So the lights, and it'll start the fan off on low. This fan has been doing a great job, and this is the original fan that was to this bedroom all this time. This used to be my mom's room a long time ago. It's a very good fan. She used to work here in this room a lot. Here's the light off. Crank the fan up to medium. This thing hums quite a bit because of the noise it makes. It's just the motor itself. But other than that, it's very quiet. High speed. Turn the light on. This fan used to wobble way worse than this, as you can see. But other than that, it's very stable. I'm not sure how it did that, but it did. Because I know it was loose up there a long time ago. Very good. Over. Very high.